Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring anti-fouling systems designed to protect a ship's seawater intake and cooling lines from marine growth. Fouling, the accumulation of barnacles, mussels, and seaweed, inside sea chests and cooling pipes severely restricts flow, reduces heat exchanger efficiency, and can lead to catastrophic cooling failure. The most common and effective system used on modern vessels is the Compressed Current Anti-Fouling, or ICCP system, sometimes referred to as the Marine Growth Prevention System, or MGPS. This system works by releasing minute-controlled quantities of specific metal ions into the surrounding seawater inside the sea chest. The system utilizes dedicated anodes and a small controlled electric current. The system typically employs two types of anodes, usually installed on the grates of the sea chest or inside the sea chest itself. The first is a copper anode. When a low-voltage direct current is passed through this anode, it slowly erodes, releasing cupric ions into the water. These copper ions are toxic to marine life larvae, preventing them from settling and beginning to grow inside the cooling system. This forms an effective, continuous barrier against macrofouling. The second is a ferrous or aluminum anode. When current is passed through this anode, it releases ferrous or aluminum ions. These ions are not primarily for anti-fouling, but rather for forming a protective gamma ferric oxide film on the internal surfaces of the cooling pipes and heat exchangers. This film helps prevent the copper ions from adhering to the metal surfaces and also acts to reduce corrosion, providing dual protection. The entire system is controlled by a dedicated control panel. This panel regulates the current flow to the anodes, adjusting the ion release rate based on factors like the vessel's speed and the salinity of the water. Too low a current risks fouling, too high risks excessive anode consumption and localized corrosion. The effectiveness of the MGPS is checked by routine inspection of the sea chests during dry dock and by monitoring the water flow and pressure across the cooling lines. The anodes themselves are consumables and must be checked for wear and replaced according to their planned service life. By continuously releasing these protective ions, the system ensures a clean, unobstructed flow of cooling seawater, vital for all machinery on board. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.